How to convert video to audio on iPhone. So if you want to convert video to audio on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your shortcuts application, which is built in on your iPhone. Once you're on your shortcuts, you need to go with first, which is on the top right, and tap on new shortcut. And here you need to tap on rename and rename it as convert video to audio and tap on done. And once done, you'll have a eye icon, which is on the bottom. And here you will have an option of show in share sheet. Turn that toggle on. Tap on done, which is on the top right. Now tap on images and 18 more. And here you need to tap on clear, which is on the top left. And go with media. And under media, you need to go and toggle it on and tap on done. Now go with search actions, which is on the bottom. And from the actions, you will have encode media. You need to tap on encode media. After that, tap on the arrow, which is on the right side. And make sure that you turn on the audio only option. Now go with search actions again, which is on the bottom. And now you need to search for save file. Tap on it. And again, go with done, which is on the top right. And that's it. Now you can go back and select a file. Go with your video and then go with share, which is on the bottom left. And scroll down. And you will have convert video to audio. Tap on it. And it will convert your video to audio on your iPhone. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.